U-Azinani Fukula ubenza ugrade 10 kanti udutshulwe washona ngoLwesithathu olwedlule elibangise esikoleni.
Indlela esothuke ngayo siyamkeli and I don't think isawuziphinde siyamkele. Andifuna ukuxokisa because uAzi lanto kuthiwa ngumntana obethandeka, ngumntana obethumeka, ngumntana ongasoze umbone nomsindo ecaphuka.
Okhulumela isigungu esiqapha ubugebengu eSamora Machel uthi imbangela yalokhu ayikaziwa.
We are not sure as what happened. We can call it an attack or we can call it's a violence, but we are still the police are still investigating the issue.
Umphakathi uthi lobugebengu kubukeka ngathi benziwa ezinganeni kuphela.
We think that there is some gangsterism that is happening regarding this thing, and it affects young children who are at school. So we gave that to the office of the police to do their investigation so that they can come at the bottom of this challenge that we are facing in the community.
Akekho osaboshiwe ngalokhu kanti amaphoyisa ayaphenya.